What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we have something special today. It's been a while since we've done a house tour, and we're out here with Rachel. So she's gonna tell us about the house, let us know where we're at. Let's get to it.
Hi guys, it's Rachel. We're here in Los Gatos and the Los Gatos Hills in this beautiful property. This is 153555 Blackberry Hill Road. Right immediately, this outdoor kitchen, got your pizza oven, this industrial grill. Over there, large dining with centered fire pit. As you can tell, this was designed for entertainment, and you have this fire pit here as well.
Wow, the whole thing is a freaking dude.
Yep. So at night, you can imagine the vibes are so immaculate.
This is pretty sick. This is perfect for like a big group of people.
Definitely good for parties, entertaining.
Are these heat lamps up here, or are they just lights?
Yep, they are heat. So, I mean, year round at the nighttime, you know, Bay Area definitely can get cold, especially up here, but you can still enjoy this really nicely. There's heating all throughout, so keep you nice and toasty.
And that view. Let's see that view.
One
real
of
quick.
many. There's still several more to come.
So driving up here, you gotta kind of go through a windy road, but you're like on top of the world up here. There's not many houses on the way up, so this house is, would you say this is like pretty private?
It's very private. Sitting on a little over 4.5 acres, so yeah.
And how many bedrooms and bathrooms in this one?
It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, so
Okay.
it's nice and cozy, but definitely not short of space. Like I said earlier, that was just one view of many. Here's yet another one straight off of this little spa right here.
I like this. You don't need a big pool. Like this
You
is
don't.
this is just chill.
Just to sit and relax. And then if you just ever want to rinse off, you've got your outdoor shower right here with a handheld rinse off before heading back into the main home. And then let's check out the rest down here. You really have wrap around views all throughout.
It's pretty quiet out here too. Is this part of the property?
This is all part of it. So this is all included in the 4.5 acres. Wrap around views, more conversation pits.
What's over there?
Let's take a look.
Okay.
Goes down for your own little garden beds, your own plantery boxes, and then trails down part of the property. You can grow your own little produce or what have you.
What are we growing out here? Carrots?
Strawberries.
Strawberries? Okay.
So this is the living room. This is where you can enjoy your sports, whatever, but windows from all sides, so tons of natural lighting.
It's nice and cozy in here. I usually don't like this kind of wood, but I think it goes with this property.
It suits it so perfectly.
This is one of the living rooms or the only living room?
It's the only living room. There is a little casual seating style right here. Got your galley style kitchen, Miele appliances, these types of cabinetry, your hidden refrigerator.
I didn't expect that.
Yep. There's some more things that you didn't expect that we will get to in a little bit.
Okay.
And as I said, you're not short of views anywhere you are, and straight off the kitchen, you have your formal dining and views on some more views.
This kind of makes me want to do dishes.
Yeah, dishes aren't so bad if
You got a nice view like that? Sheesh. Let's see, what do we have over here?
We have some more of the other rooms, so just stackable washer and dryer and its own hidden closet. You have even more pantry space over here, or clothes hanging space, since this is right off of the laundry. 2 of the 3 bedrooms are down here on the first floor. A smaller sized room, standard closet, good for children.
And they have their own restroom over there too.
Yep, probably the older sibling will also like to accommodate this room because it's also right attached onto it.
Oh, okay.
Put the older child in here, or even if you have an elderly parent, it's great because they're straight off of the bathroom that's attached to it.
Did we talk about the price? I can't remember.
We did not, but
Okay.
it's actually right under 3, like 2.9999.
Okay.
So like $1 under 3.
If you guys have 3 million and you like this house, hit up Rachel.
Yep.
I'll have her link down below.
That's right. The second floor is purely all the primary and it is spectacular. So let's take a look. Drum roll, please. Bam.
Oh, wow. There's so much light in here.
Primary closet. It's nice and cute as well.
They even have like built-in lights. Mm-hmm. I like how they don't have blinds in here.
Yeah.
You don't need them.
The primary bathroom. You have your soaking tub with a nice little pop-out window so you can still enjoy the views.
Mm-hmm.
Double sinks, nice tall shower, and the best part, your own private balcony straight off of the primary that can oversee everything. So you can even see like the sauna over there. Okay, now we're gonna trap you inside the dungeon. So it's really like a panic room.
A panic room.
So yeah, watch your head.
Okay. Oh, what the hell?
In simplest terms, we'll just call this the vault, but.
What the? Where are you taking me?
Welcome to the vault, the panic room, the dungeon, what have you. If you wanted to convert this to a wine cellar, that's definitely something you can do. I can see that being a little more realistic.
Put your least favorite child in here.
Yeah, or yeah, this could be the timeout room. And that's the vault.
This door is kind of crazy too.
Yeah. A true vault door.
Interesting. I don't know what I would put in there, but that's cool to have it.
Now we're going along the driveway to check out the garage. It is a detached garage, but has some pretty cool features on the inside of it.
You got your neighbor over there in the distance.
Yep. Cool little garage over here.
Yeah, this is perfect.
Tons of storage, exposed shelvings, storage closets, and your own little built-in like workshop.
With the AC? Okay.
Yep, and with its own refrigerator.
Mm-hmm. You could put all your stuff here so you don't see it. Mm-hmm. All right, you guys, we're gonna wrap up the house tour video here. I wanna give a huge shout out to Rachel for letting us check this place out. It's pretty sick. Again, we're out here in Los Gatos, and if you guys like this house and you have $3 million to spend, you go ahead, feel free to hit her up. Or if you're selling a house, right?
Buying, selling in the Silicon Valley, I'm your girl.
Hit her up. Her info is down below. We'll see you guys very soon for the next one. We're out. Peace.
Bye.